Question 1, we're multiplying rational expressions. Okay, so step 1 is factor everything. So I have 4p to the 4th. There's not a plus or minus sign, so you can't factor. Okay, so can't factor if there's not a plus or minus. Okay, so that's as simplified as it gets. Second one, well, one was for my step. Okay, p squared plus 6p minus 7. This you can factor. It's 3 terms, so we're going to have our 2 factors. Since this is 1, it's the easier way. We find 2 numbers that multiply to 7. There's only one. How can those add or subtract to positive 6? -1 plus 7. So our factors are p minus 1, p plus 7. All right, and I'm going to do the other one over here. So I have p squared minus 49, and then 28p cubed can't be factored. There's no plus or minus. So again, you really need to start recognizing these. This is p squared plus 0x minus 49. 49 is a perfect square, and there's no middle term. So it's going to be the 2 numbers that multiply to that, opposite signs. P minus 7, p plus 7. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of those. Know your perfect squares. Okay, I'm going to rewrite with our factors so we can cancel stuff out. That's step 2. So 4p to the 4th over p minus 1, p plus 7 times p minus 7, p plus 7 over 28p cubed. All right, and now we are going to, sorry, I want some more room here. Cross cancel. So we can go diagonally and then up and down. So diagonally, I see the plus 7s. Gone. This way diagonally, I can cancel, but I'm going to multiply so I can show you what happens. So look on the top. Now I have 4p to the 4th, p minus 7. And then on the bottom, I'm going to write this first because multiplication, it doesn't matter. 28p to the 3rd over p minus 1. So we could have cross-canceled up here, 4 over 28. These both divide by 4. Right? It's going to leave 1 and 7. So you could have done that up there. And then we have 4 p's divided by 3 p's. So what happens? We're left with just 1 on the numerator. And again, you could have done that here if you would have recognized that they cross cancel. So now my numerator is 1p. I don't have to write the 1, just p minus 7 divided by 7 p minus 1. And again, you don't have to multiply. You can leave it just like that. But typing it in is a little tricky. You need parentheses around the entire numerator. See how it's double parentheses? It's because now I'm going to divide. Do parentheses again. 7 p minus 1. So there's a lot of parentheses in there. And that keeps our fractions separate.